Well, today is March 21st, and guess what? We're going to unpack Carmen Casita today. And we've got some work to do on her, but first of all, we're going to take this cover off. This is the cover that we bought to cover her this past winter. And we're going to see how well the cover held up. We had some pretty rough winter. We had a lot of snow, a lot of ice, a lot of wind. So let's see how well this cover did. Well, I've got the initial cover off. I'm going to leave that on the front for a little while longer. But the cover has a few little damp spots, so I'm going to sort of spread it out here. We're supposed to have sunshine and mid-70s today, and I'm going to let that dry out before I pack it away for the summer. Yes. And you never know, next winter we might not use it because we might not be here. We might be somewhere warmer. So let's do a visual inspection on the inside of the camper. So I did before I go inside, did a quick visual inspection of the cover. And there were no rips, no tears, no worn spots in it. It's a little dirty on top, but that's to be expected. I'd rather have the cover dirty than the camper dirty. The camper still needs a little clean off, but it's in good shape. And but the cover held up excellent over the winter. All right, so just looking at the outside of the camper without tripping over anything, there's a few little like dirty spots on it. We've got a few little like little dark lines there, and on the covers here also. I don't see any. I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera around too fast. I don't see like any rust on anything, even the foot pad down there. I don't see any rust on it. And all in all, I think it looks in pretty good shape. Like I said, there's a little bit of stuff there, but other than that, it looks really, really good, having survived the winter. By the way, these, we are going to replace those. I'm going to get some new ones. This one, it got hot and the solar panel sort of moved on it. The tires, I lifted up the covers. I'm going to leave the covers on for right now. Look really, really good. The jacks, the stabilizer jacks look good in the back. Even the bumper. There's a little rust inside the receiver for the hitch, but other than that, I'll get my words out here, I think it looks in good shape. Let's go inside and have a look. I've been inspecting it every once in a while throughout the winter, and that's because our cover here had a door opening on it that you could unzip and roll up to allow you access. Now this is going to be replaced because it stopped working last summer. It would just flash. And then the awning, I've got to somehow lubricate that area up there because it does squeak when I raise and open the awning. So inside here, I mean, this is our little damp rid bag, and that's ice down there on it, even though we've had some warm days. But this damp rid bag, this is the second one that I've put in here this winter. Again, I didn't see any leaks around windows or around the overhead. Everything looks in excellent shape in here. And if you will notice, I did open all the cabinets. This was open, I closed it. This I had just sort of held open that way. The refrigerator you can see is open. I had this and that door open also, and the closet was also open throughout the winter. So I came in here and I can smell the chemical. Let me turn the camera around here. I'm sorry. There I am. I can smell the some of the chemicals that were used, and I think part of it too is it smells like brand new to me. So that's good. But we've got some stuff to do in here, and I'm going to try to get it today. I want to get this bed moved out here, and our new solar charge controller put in. So that's a goal for today. Let's see if we can get that done.